एथिक्स जाते हैं भाड़ में जब आपके पास काम नहीं होता, तब आप डेस्परेट होते हो कि अभी कुछ मिल जाए घर चलाने. आई wasn't getting many opportunities. In fact, I think when I got the call for What 2 to test, it had been maybe 6 or 7 months since last anybody called and said, hey, we want you to test for this. I am proud of some work that I have done in my past. But if I get an audition for a film, I can't show it. As much as I'd like to believe that आपका काम आपके लिए बोलेगा, I don't think that is true. लोग जा नहीं रहे पिक्चर देखने, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि पिक्चर अच्छी नहीं है, इसलिए कि शायद OTT पे देख लें.
But you're watching your sister's game with these
I'm
games?
not able to. I just saw first couple of episodes and then just bits and pieces here and there on social media. Please don't say Barun or Sanaya. इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूँ? Thank you.
How's the What 2 going?
What's to? I'm happy and sad both. It's getting great reception, great acknowledgement from industry peers to the audience who have gone and seen it. That is where the sad part comes in. That लोग जा नहीं रहे पिक्चर देखने, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि पिक्चर अच्छी नहीं है, इसलिए कि शायद OTT पे देख लेंगे, या शायद हो सकता है किसी को मालूम ही नहीं है कि पिक्चर रिलीज हुई है. सो हम यही होप करते थे कि वर्ड ऑफ माउथ से बढ़ेगा, लोग देखेंगे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली देयर हैज बीन अ बिट ऑफ अ गैप बिटवीन how well the film is being received, the kind of reviews, the kind of reception that we're getting, and how many people are going into the halls.
So true. But did you enjoy playing your part, your character, Keshav's? We loved it, and I think it was something जो बाकियों एंटागोनिस्ट या फिर बाकियों जो विलेन है ना उससे अलग इसलिए बनाता, वो क्वाइट है, शांत है, उस तरीके से वो बदला ले रहा है. तो प्लीज टॉक टू अबाउट इट.
ये थोड़ा अगर मैं बोलूँगा कि मैंने एंजॉय किया तो गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. तो मैं साइको नहीं हूँ. बट नो, इट वाज एन एब्सोल्यूट ट्रीट यार. It was a franchise film, right? तो पहली वाली Vad had got a lot of acclaim. So I knew for a fact that Jaspal Singh Sandhu sir is a phenomenal director and writer. उनकी script इतनी बढ़िया थी. Vad 1 and Vad 2 also was written very well. Second यार, मतलब संजय मिश्रा, नीना गुप्ता, कुमुद मिश्रा, शिल्पा शुक्ला, मतलब you're lining all of them up and saying you're going to have scenes with all of them. अब वो unfortunately there is a scene that is not there in the film because of length, but with Sanjay sir. So I've shot with all of them. अब ये मतलब ये तो टिक मार्क हो गया ना मेरे लिए कि भाई इससे ज़्यादा क्या. मतलब आई रिमेम्बर उस टाइम पे मैंने कहा था अगर इसके बाद मेरे को इंडस्ट्री वाले ने बोला कि ये तुम्हारी एक इकलौता काम है, अब इसके बाद कुछ नहीं आएगा, तो मैं खुशी खुशी बोलूँगा यस. ऑफ कोर्स अब थोड़ी सी भूख ज़्यादा लग गई है कि हाँ यार और अच्छा काम कर सकते हैं, ऐसा है. बट आई वॉज एब्सोल्युटली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. आई वॉज लाइक ओके, got to do this.
Yeah. But working with such legends around, Neena ji, Sanjay Mishra sir, Kumud Mishra sir, and everyone around, I really want to ask, वो energy में change आती है कि कहीं ना कहीं मुझे अभी और बेस्ट देना होगा, something like that?
Of course. और मैं okay. So जब आप एक काम कर रहे हैं ना और आपको मालूम है कि आप कुछ अच्छा कर रहे हैं, तो क्या होता है कि पूरा का पूरा यूनिट जो होता है, लाइक जो फ्रॉम बिहाइंड द कैमरा टू इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा, लाइक सपन नरूला हु इज अ सिनेमाटोग्राफर, all the ADs, all the people who were there for art, creating the world that we were in, all of those people, every single person who was even in the background, actors, everyone made this, like everybody was going towards that one vision. जो लिखा गया था यार उसको अच्छे से बनाना है, तो वो जब अलाइन हो जाता है तो बहुत बहुत बढ़िया काम निकल के आता है, राइट. उसके ऊपर से then you get this magic of the performances by actors such as Sanjay Mishra sir and Neena ma'am and Kumud sir. जब ये लोग आते हैं और आके बस ऐसे ही लुक भी दे देते हैं, या संजय सर की वो मिस्चीवस चीज़ें करते हैं, या नीना मैम का जो अथॉरिटेटिवनेस है जो एक्सूड करता है, when you see all of that transparent, it inspires you to do your best also.
True.
Yeah. So it's like going into play something where यार ये गेम में बहुत मजा आने वाला है, तो चलो मजे से खेलते हैं, it was exactly like that.
But how the preparation was different for you because it was different medium.
Yeah.
You know, you played TV, you played in the OTT, and now it's movie.
Yeah.
Was the preparation different from others?
No, not at all. I
To
mean,
see?
the whole point is, of course, I mean, there are a few things that happen. हर format का अपना एक performance meter होता है. Like television, unfortunately, has a performance meter which is louder, where you have to emote at all times. OTT and films are still almost the same. They are not. I mean, there are certain shows that are being made which require you to be a little louder in terms of your acting,
Right.
which is looked down upon by a lot of film and some OTT makers also.
Yeah.
But see, whatever is the requirement of that
Yeah.
thing, and sometimes it is unfortunate actors are not able to get out of that mold क्योंकि बहुत time से वो कर रहे होते हैं. But ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि as long as you are true to the character and as long as you understand. अब जैसे अगर मैं कमरे में बैठा हूँ और मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ और अगर मैं डल तरीके से बात करूँगा
Yeah.
तो आप भी मेरे से डल तरीके से बात
True.
करोगे. अगर मैं एक्साइटेड होकर बात करूँगा तो आप भी. If I am agitated and I am angry, there is a little bit of agitation that will come in you.
True.
So you've got to read the room as an
Right.
actor, right?
Absolutely.
So when you go onto a set where you've got a phenomenal film director, you've got a phenomenal cinematographer, you've got actors who are coming on set, and everything is placed so professionally, and everybody knows the kind of music that there is, the background music that there, that that's the kind of music that is going to, you automatically sort of align to that, and you start performing in that direction.
So true. But you said right now that there are many OTT makers who himself look down to the TV things and TV acting or TV actors. But why is this case? Because I interview so many actors who are from TV background and they hesitate talking about TV.
Yeah.
They do not talk about TV.
Personally, I do too. And I'm being very honest about it. Like, I also hesitate sometimes because it's very difficult to break into good work. I forget about film or OTT or whatever it is. It is very difficult to break into just because some people are prejudiced towards, and it is a fact. That is not something, and that has nothing to do with the talent that is working in that medium. See, there's a lot of commerce involved. There is a lot of eyeball grabbing involved. So you can't say कि ये तो एक्टर ही ऐसा है, ये तो मेकर ही ऐसा है. वो अनफॉर्चुनेटली धब्बा उन्हीं की सब जो बना रहे हैं, जो डाल रहे हैं, उन्हीं के ऊपर पड़ता है. Like I know for a fact, I am proud of some work that I have done in my past. But if I get an audition for a film, I can't show it. Not because of the fact that it's the product itself has been looked down upon. I mean, people have loved it. I have had people come and tell me that this is very good. But when you try to see it yourself and the space that you want to do your work in, like let's say for example, if I was very fortunate that they did not care about anything from Jaspal sir, Love Ranjan sir, and all of that. But if they had asked for my previous work, I would have been, thinking about the fact that, okay, I think this is going to go away because I know I'm proud of certain scenes.
True.
Okay, hey, I can show you this. I don't have much to show you because this is my my library of work, but I've done good work. I am good. Like, I can say that. But when they look at it, what they see is loud music, loud taking.
True.
So, when you go into all of that and the zone that they're in, which is like slow, which is like, classy filmmaking, you look at it and you say, oh no, this is bad.
Yeah.
He may not be the perfect fit. She may not be the perfect fit. And you try to break from that mold. And I totally understand. I empathize with that because I am somebody who has had to face that also. Having said that, I do empathize and I feel it myself, that हाँ है, unfortunately ये है, you have to take it in your stride. And also we also get carried away. Like if you are in a zone for a very long time, you don't immediately transform your performances. It takes a while, and so I know that you have to pay your dues, and I totally accept that as a journey. And I can say for myself that I'm so grateful. Like even when I worked with for Ramyog, which is not there anymore,
Yes.
but working with Kunal Kohli sir and working with Jaspal sir, they were uh, they were kind enough, they were wise enough to not look at me a certain way and say, whatever it is right now, we like this, and I can envision this and I can take this forward. They took a chance on me, and I am grateful for that, because not always this happens. You always wish that somebody bats for me. Somebody says that, hey, I know your caliber, I know what you can do. I think I'm ready to work with you. So that's something, that's a journey that we all have to pay our dues. It's the bet that we made.
But have you faced such kind of things around you where people have made you realize that कि यार मैं नहीं बात कर सकता टीवी के बारे में ज़्यादा?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, but it's an unsaid thing, right?
Right.
You end up because when you go in, sometimes people may like you for what you've done. Although, I mean, I'll say this, that not everyone's like that.
Yeah.
But there are certain decision makers who are a bit wary. Those decision makers who themselves, it's a lot of things, like their own journeys. Look, if I am judged from where I have come from, and then somehow through my struggles, through letting go of all of that baggage behind, like baggage in the sense all the prejudices behind, and I reach a certain level where I can now start to call the shots.
Right.
I think as a human being, I will mostly say, दूर हटाओ जो भी वहाँ से आ रहा है. I don't want to be associated. That's a very deep rooted issue that person has.
True.
And I feel that is there. It's not like it cannot ever be gone. It's, you tend to feel like, oh, if I do this right now, it's not going to
Wow.
work for me later. If my eyes are on a higher this thing, I cannot do this right now. There is no free flowing of this thing. Like if you look at America, or forget America, I think Britain, UK. You look at the actors, they do stage, they do TV, they do films, they do all the mediums. But if you look at all of their work, everywhere it's almost at par.
Yes, yeah, true.
Like theater is booming over there. People come out and people support. And that's the biggest thing. Like we have that difference. We have the difference of, that there are people who are Instagram, Reels, TikTok kind of audience.
Yeah.
So they need stuff like that. We have like almost 2 billion population. And we have people who just want Saas Bahu, lots of drama. Or
True.
we have people who are niche where somebody will say, you know what, I loved what. I love this kind of a film. I love 12th Fail. I love Kora, which is
Yes,
there.
which is there.
So there are people like that also, and you get that kind of recognition. Too far and few. The gap is too much. One can only hope that we are able to bridge that gap and get everyone together. It's a difficult task, but one can always wish for it.
So true. But you also believed कि जितने फिल्म का प्रमोशन होगा या नेगेटिव पीआर होगा या पॉजिटिव पीआर होगा, लोगों के अटेंशन में आएगा, या फिर यू स्टे विद द वर्ड्स दैट कि नहीं, माउथ ऑफ वर्ड से चल जाएगा?
यार अब नहीं होता. I as much as I'd like to believe that आपका काम आपके लिए बोलेगा, I don't think that is true. As much as I had hoped कि word to word of mouth से लोग जाएंगे, because genuinely हर कोई कह रहा है कि पिक्चर बहुत अच्छी है. आप भले ही इसको वध 1 के साथ कंपेयर करें, सबसे पहले 2 डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स हैं. इसको दोनों के बीच में गैप कितना ज़्यादा है, और दो थीमेटिक है. सो इट्स जस्ट अ थीम दैट दे आर फॉलोइंग. सो we've made a story. Yeah, you can go watch Vad 1, but go watch Vad 2 for what it is. and there are people who've given it a chance and who've watched it, and I'm so thankful for them, and who've said that okay, this is a good film. It's cinema. You know, you are hardly getting cinema nowadays, and when you're getting cinema, you're just sitting at home. You're not going to the theaters. You're not watching it. And so I go back to your point that yeah, no, word of mouth does not help anymore. I mean, I wish it did, but it does not. You have to be loud. You have to scream at the top of your, from the top of the roof that, hey, we are here. We are, look at us. Because that's what everybody is doing, right? Like when you look at social media,
So true, yeah.
yeah, look at me. I'm here.
And then when we go to cinema hall, we found completely different. Like कुछ और ही था, कुछ और हो गया.
Correct.
In that way, yeah.
So yeah, maybe क्या करना पड़ेगा मुझे कुत्ते मारने पड़ेंगे सच में which I won't do. You've seen a puppy in my house,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I'm not a puppy killer.
True, true. But personally, in What 2, if I talk about, कोई ऐसा scene था जहाँ पे आप drain हो चुके थे after pack-up? Particular scene?
I was never drained, frankly, because the atmosphere was so nicely positively charged that I never felt drained from performances. In fact, anything else, I was always very stoked. Like there are two physically daunting scenes where you feel like, oh, okay, this must have been too much. Like one was where I was physically drained, but not emotionally, mentally drained. Was when I'm beating up an old man. So that was physically really drained, but it's also very like I truly and I just off the record. When I did that scene, there were a lot of very good background artists who came up to me and said that आपने कितना अच्छा perform किया है. That they people clapped on the action, all of that, and that was very heartwarming and very it makes you want to do better. So it gives you a lot more energy, right?
true.
It feeds you feed on that.
True.
So that was something that keeps me going. Validation मिलती है तो अच्छा लगता है. एक actor के लिए validation थोड़ी सी important होती है.
हाँ.
That and Kumud sir के साथ जो when I'm getting beaten up by Kumud sir. So those were physically daunting, but it was so supercharged because वो मार खाने के बाद जो हरकतें कर रहा है जो बहुत ज़्यादा दिखाई नहीं है because of length again, but like there are these moments which I had to do where it was so exciting to do. It was in the middle of the night. हम 3 या 4 बजे shoot कर रहे थे वो, and I was still not exhausted. Of course, when you go back home and you are like, it was a good day at work.
Yeah.
So in that sense, yeah, you go and you say it was a good day at work, should be happy, and then you go to sleep.
So true, and grateful for such kind of work.
Yeah.
But please be honest about it. That was this a role or a character you were waiting for, and just ये खत्म हुआ and you were like, finally I land up.
Okay. So like you want me to be honest?
Yeah.
So frankly, I just give it up. Like I have been trying to get work as an actor for such a long time, and there are things that I've worked on and they did not see the light of day. It's been about roughly about 8 years since anything
Jugglings, yeah.
anything really good has come out. Like Ramyuk came, it went away,
Yeah.
it didn't get good response. There was a couple of other OTT shows that I did that never saw the light of day. Then I was like, okay, nobody's giving me work. I've got to do something. I've tried to do other things as well, which I continue to do. Yes, but acting is something that I do want to do. I really want to do, but I wasn't getting many opportunities. In fact, I think when I got the call for What 2 to test, it had been maybe 6 or 7 months since last anybody called and said, hey, we want you to test for this. And so when I went there, I was just super excited to just do the test also, and I think that helped because I was very excited to do it. And when I gave it, and I got a call back, and I did more scenes, and then they were like, okay. And my first question was because your spirit does break after a certain point, but then you ask the director. I asked the director, Jaspal sir, are you sure you want to cast me? like this setting is such, and you know, look at me, and I said, I want you only, and that's so, like, it gives you so much confidence
Confidence,
in life in general, that हाँ यार, लोग काम करना चाहते हैं, तो अभी भी completely system से बाहर नहीं निकले हो. So that's there, and yeah, so you know, mentally you're somewhere else. There is no such thing as manifestation. For me at least, it is by the grace of the universe that, you know, things have happened and people have believed in it all. And then all I tell myself, you know, when I wake up and look at myself in the mirror and I have an opportunity and I'm going to the sets of What To, I look at myself in the mirror and I say, they put faith in you, now you go show up, now you do your job. And that's all, that's the work ethic I like to carry with. Yeah,
Love this point of yours. But was there one call became the source of motivation for you? That कि नहीं अब उठना है and I have to show up, something like that?
No, of course, when they called me, the callback when that happened, that he wants to do, he really liked your take, but he wants to do one more scene with you. If you, uh, it's that puppy scene, if you've seen the trailers, it's that particular scene that he wanted me to do. So he said he wants you to do it one more time, but this time it's like this. So he wanted to check it out. And I was like, hey man, I've got a call back, you know. There is something there, so it gives you more confidence, so you get more cocky in the sense, like, confident in the audition. So you don't do more things, like you do things which you were sort of inhibiting yourself to do, कि यार ये अच्छा लगेगा नहीं लगेगा, and then you suddenly say performance है, अपनी तरफ से जितना ज़्यादा दे सकते हो दे दो, then if the director sees it, great. So that gave me confidence, you know. Then flying off to Bhopal to shoot the film gave me a lot of confidence that I'm going there to shoot. You know, it's happening, and they were so wonderful. Like, and you know, so I want to give a personal shout out to Rohini Bhandari. She's the associate producer. She is one of the nicest human beings. You know, there was a sort of a miscommunication which was from my end, and the fact that she said that Akshay, take a leap of faith, come on board, do this. There was just, like, I was excited about the character, but there was just a few things that were sort of not like being ironed out. And then when she told me that just come to the set, that's it. And I said, Rohini, okay, I'm loving talking to you, so I'm going to take that leap of faith. And so I want to give that credit to her, that it was that confidence when I reached the set and she was waiting there for me, just gave me a lot of boost, you know. That, like, oh, okay, this setup is a humane setup, is a kind setup. This is a setup which is passionate about making films. So yeah, that gives you a lot of confidence.
Confidence and motivation, sure. But in that phase, I really want to ask you, was there a time or moment जब काफी projects आ रहे होंगे, काफी shows आ रहे होंगे, but it was not matching with your ethics or something with your lineup or something like that?
पता है, एक चीज़ है कि एथिक्स जाते हैं भाड़ में जब आपके पास काम नहीं होता, तब आप डेस्परेट होते हो कि अभी कुछ मिल जाए, घर चलाना है. तो काफ़ी बार आप कहते हो कि नहीं 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 मैं नहीं करूँगा ये, और कुछ टाइम आपको करना पड़ता है कि यार ये करना पड़ेगा, इस वक्त कोई और मेरा घर नहीं चला रहा, ये करना पड़ेगा. तो वो चीज़ें होती है. बाकी एक चीज़ ज़रूर होती है कि मैं एक बोलूँगा कि यू नो, पर्सनली इन माय ट्रैजेक्टरी ऑफ वर्किंग विद पीपल, I've actually worked with a lot of genuine people, you know, who've not been, and there are such horror stories where people don't get paid, where people are treated badly on the sets, where you know, there are such experiences. One or two experiences may have happened to me, but I cannot generalize everything in that. But I have been so fortunate and so lucky to have worked with people who did their best in the circumstances, that in the resources that they were provided. They did their best. They made sure that, you know, everything was taken care of. And I commend everyone, you know, on my journey, having worked with them, that they've stood to their values. You know, they've actually, you know, true test of character is when you're facing a lot of hardships and you come out. Even if you have to do something which you don't agree with, but you stick to your values. So that's something that's been, you know, my whatever little professional career. So have I answered your question?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah. But at that time कुछ ऐसा काम भी किया कि नहीं बस मुझे ये करना है क्योंकि I want to be there, I want to be relevant, I want to be seen, something like that.
किया है, पर बताऊंगा नहीं.
But किया है.
किया है, of course किया है. Beggars can't be choosers वाला सिनारियो, या फिर यार घर में पैसों की ज़रूरत है, ये तो करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा काम किया है, but I cannot take anything away from those people who hired me, because I'm grateful for those people to have said yes, let's work with him. You know,
Yeah.
it's not the quality of work may not be great, or even when, like, let's say their way of working may not have been great, and I may have, you know, कि क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Even then I would say I was grateful enough to get that opportunity at that moment, because nobody knows what my circumstances were. You know, so I am absolutely grateful for everything that has happened in life.
Please suggest us 5 names, 5 Bollywood movie names should watched in the theater. People should have watched in theater.
Oh, Bollywood या India?
कोई भी इंडिया में.
Top of my list, obviously now people did watch 12th Fail. Angamala Diaries.
No, I haven't.
It's fantastic.
Okay.
Then Sapta Sagar, it's a Kannada film, side A, side B. It didn't do well. It's you know, Rakshit Shetty was in it. Hemant Rao is the director. It's a fantastic film.
Okay.
Then there is one film that I saw, Mandela, which is a fantastic film. And even I feel like, and this is more Basi, you know, Minnal Murli, which I think people have seen it on an OTT platform, but in theaters, definitely it's the first, you know, it's a superhero film. It's rooted in not in a city but in a village, and so you've got characters that are from there, and you know, it's a wonderful film. So definitely, and there are some Punjabi films also that you know, that one should definitely, like, it should have been more mainstream in that context. But for sure, we've got like crazy cinema happening, and I think that whole thing of yaar Hindi wale Hindi dekhenge and all of that should sort of go away. I feel like, bhai, cinema dekho jaake, just enjoy it, because there will be times that you will not be able to you know, it'll get lost in OTT also.
Yeah.
अगर आपको नहीं मालूम है तो आप देख ही नहीं पाओगे.
So true.
So for sure, I mean, there are these few films.
And
that you should
OTT के बारे में बताइए, कोई ऐसे फिल्म बताइए जो लोग अब तक नहीं देखे हैं, वो बहुत underrated है, something like that. And you have watched currently कुछ अच्छा तो.
I am guilty of not watching a lot of Hindi content.
Okay.
I'm prejudiced a little bit, but I will tell you one thing. Raj Jawan hai, Barun's show.
Oh.
I think it was Sumit Vyas directed it.
Yeah.
I think it was a wonderful show. It was such a light-hearted show. So for sure. Just recently saw a couple of episodes of Kora 2. Again, very well made. This is
And you
Sudeep.
watched it because of your friend?
No, because I'm a fan of Kora also, and Sudeep Sharma also.
Yeah.
He's a fantastic maker.
Yeah.
And you know, it's his directorial debut. It's his, you know, he's directing this one. And I saw you know, some of the episodes, and they're fantastic. So yeah, so that's there. Rest I try and watch a lot of regional work as well, right? In films. So you know, when I'm talking about Angamala Diaries or Minnal Murli or Sapta Sagar, the Side A Side B. These are all films that are there on
There in South, yeah. OTT.
on OTT. So I checked them out. It's an OTT is such a place, no? It's like an ocean of content,
Cinema content.
and
yeah.
only the one which is being pushed according to the algorithm and according to marketing for you to watch, you get to see. Otherwise, you have to really dig deep. It's like, आप अपने
गूगल पे टाइप करते हैं ना जब कुछ सर्च करो तो
Correct.
कहाँ जाना है,
Yeah.
लिस्ट ऑफ प्लेसेस टू विजिट टुडे, लिस्ट ऑफ प्लेसेस टू गो एंड
Correct.
हॉप द कैफे, समथिंग
बट
लाइक दैट.
असली मजा उसमें है. लुक एट इट फ्रॉम दिस पर. लेट मी पेंट अ पिक्चर फॉर यू.
Yeah.
आप छोटे हो
हाँ.
और आप अपने चाचा चाची या अपनी मासी या अपने नाना नानी या दादा दादी के घर गए हो, और वहाँ पे एक पड़ा है बक्सा या ड्रॉर है,
Yeah.
और आप एज अ चाइल्ड आप सोचते हो कि इस ड्रॉर में क्या क्या हो सकता है. बड़ों की चीज़ें बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है, तो आप खोलते हैं तो आपको ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें मिलती है जो आपने देखी नहीं है कभी, जो पुरानी होंगी, जो अच्छी होंगी. तो OTT में ना यू शुड सर्च लाइक दैट, कि अपने दादा दादी का ड्रॉर खोल रहे हैं या कोई अटैची खोल रहे हैं जिसके अंदर बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें मिलेंगी कि ये क्या चीज है, ये कहाँ से निकली है. दैट्स हाउ यू शुड गो चेक आउट OTT. लाइक
Yeah, so
इफ यू हैव द टाइम, ऑनेस्टली डोंट बिंज. घर बैठ के पता चला काम ही नहीं कर रहे.
So true. एंड वहाँ से ऑफिस वाले बोल रहे हैं कि कुछ काम कर लो भाई.
True.
बट या कोई एक ऐसा पॉइंट बताइए जो आप अपने लिए टर्निंग पॉइंट समझते हो, क्योंकि वी लव्ड यू इन मेनी ऑफ द टीवी सीरियल्स एंड योर वर्क, बट फॉर यू पर्सनली व्हिच वाज योर टर्निंग पॉइंट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
In a very honest, possible way, there were 2 or 3 turning points, and they were all bad experiences.
Okay.
One was when I was very, very fresh, and I did a particular show, and I didn't take myself seriously because I didn't have that confidence, and there was a lot of self-worth issue. And because of that, my performance wasn't great, and it just so happened now, मतलब वो statute of limitations खत्म हो गई होगी अब, क्योंकि ये 2009 की बात है. तो उस टाइम पे they batted for me. Somebody had batted for me, and I still to date, like I wish I'd done it differently, but I think that was something that I had to experience. That I was so I took myself not so seriously, that I didn't work on my craft. So I didn't do it well. Even if I was failing at it, I shouldn't have I should have at least, instead of telling the world I'm not good, I should have worked on it, which I didn't do. And the person who batted for me said that he was disappointed, and I was about to be replaced, and मेरी किस्मत है उस शो की नहीं, बट वो शो ऑफ एयर चला गया मेरे रिप्लेस होने से पहले. एंड आई वाज लाइक, but I was sitting at home for 1.5 years. So that was a turning point where I realized that I cannot do this. It's like saying जिस थाली में खाते हैं उसी में छेद करते हैं. So I cannot do this. I should work on at least. So as an actor, that was the first step towards taking the craft seriously. Then the second milestone that I will talk about is doing a show which was my first negative, where I think I had so much in my head that I was looking at Shah Rukh Khan or Amitabh Bachchan performing that particular character. And it was my first scene where I had a monologue, and it was an emotional scene. And I was like, I did it, but not with depth. So when I did it without depth, the director caught it, and he said that this is Amitabh Bachchan, or this is Shah Rukh Khan. And he said break. And it was supposed to be in and out kind of a scene, like, okay, we'll go to this location, we'll shoot for 1 hour, and we'll step out, and we'll go back to the main unit. And we were stuck there for like 6 hours because of me. And I was absolutely broken from inside, absolutely angry, vivid, and I was like, how can the director think like this? I should quit, and this is ridiculous, and all of that. And then I breathed through it, took a breath, and I was like, you know what? You're here now, and you have to do this. And so, can you be honest with yourself and first accept that you don't know how to do this? Second, now look at the lines and just understand those lines and just do it.
True.
Take it seriously. I think this was the next level of that education. And I went in and he said, चलो rehearsal करके देखते हैं. He was sort of like disappointed कि क्या होगा. And I did it and I felt a current run through my spine. A tear came out while doing it. It was nothing was forced, and that was the next milestone where I realized, oh, this is what acting is. This is what emoting is. This is what feeling the character is. And I think that was the day that I could not stop being an actor. Like it just converted me. So yeah, these two are very important milestones for me. Yeah.
And you haven't named the time. You're not going to?
2009 and
Yeah.
2013.
Yeah. And you debuted, you started working in industry since 2007 or 2008, I believe.
As an actor.
है ना?
As an actor.
Yeah.
Yes.
Before you were an executive producer something somewhere.
Before that, I was an assistant director for 3
Assistant
films.
director,
I started my career in 2002.
Oh.
I did 3 films as an assistant director. I've been lucky enough to have been an assistant on films with actors like Shilpa Shetty, Manoj Bajpayee, Shamita, Juhi Chawla, and yeah. So I've sort of been a part of 3 films as an ED, and then I've been a part of your world. I've been in news television also.
Yeah.
I was a producer in NDTV.
Oh.
And I was a lifestyle correspondent in
And what made you
CNBC.
the shift?
Money, yaar. Matlab financially, my family needed.
You're giving us an example now.
No, but like honestly, I wasn't a good reporter.
Okay.
I truly wasn't a good reporter. I think I was acting to be a good reporter, and that was something that I found out. Like I remember there was an anchoring position job for a weatherman. In NDTV, and I remember I gave the test for it, and then I got called, and so this one was, she used to be the head for lifestyle and all of those things, and she called me, personally met me, and she said, Akshay. I said, yeah. She said, this is, you know what, you should be an actor. I said, what are you talking about? I've never thought of this. I never want to be an actor and all of that. This was in 2006.
Okay.
But I mean, I become an actor in 2008, and that too by chance, and not because I had planned towards it. But this was the first time somebody put it in my head that you're acting to be a weatherman. You're not being the weatherman because you're not. Also a lesson, by the way, that because she could see that I was acting, then I was not a good actor. But there was a seed. So that was something that had happened over there.
Okay.
And then, I mean, the journey, then the EP for a very little period. And then somebody just saw me coming out of the studio and said, shout out to him also, Neer. He was an associate director for that particular show, that he stopped and he knocked on my, door, and he said, hey, are you an actor? And for some reason I said, yes, I am an actor. And I just gave the audition and I got the work.
It took that chance from you. चलो भाई acting कर लेते हैं, है ना?
So yeah, that happened.
Yeah, but I'm sure reality shows के लिए भी आए होंगे. What was the not to take a
I've
chance?
never got a reality show. I'm a very boring person. Okay. Look, by the time I even got some work where you could say that, oh, okay, Akshay is a part of the industry, like some recognition. Like otherwise, I was just Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do also. Like if you talk about, I was not anybody of consequence in that show. During that period. So it's not like reality show people were going crazy over ki iske saath kaam karna. They would much rather work with the leads, right? So, but by the time I started doing negative work and there was a slot, but I was very boring for them. Like they never really interested. There was no controversy, or there was nothing ever in my direction. Even just recently, like when I've been sort of called for certain shows, certain housing shows, where you were housed for a little while, they have put my name forth when I didn't have any work, and I was like, yeah, sure, I'll do it. I don't know, but the fact of the matter is there is nothing about me. My Instagram was boring for them.
Yeah.
I'm talking about spirituality and poetry and all of that, and that's not like there is no loudness to it. So I don't really get calls for reality shows.
But have you made that profile because of you like it, or it's they think about it like you're boring or something like that?
Uh, my which profile? Like my
Any
Instagram
profile like
profile?
Instagram or something like that, you're really boring person, or they think that you're a boring person?
They
Two
think
different
I
things.
don't think I'm a boring person. I like the whole point of the matter is I cannot pretend to be somebody else. You know, I cannot pretend to be loud and be like that's not me. Like I'm not a content creator. In the
Yeah.
you know I am old like. I am from that generation who had to pay their dues to, you know, work under somebody, the millennial generation or whatever. That, you know, work is worship. All of those things come from our
Yeah,
generation.
yeah, true.
So I am from that generation.
Yeah.
I don't like social media has come when I was older, you know. So that's not something I was born into, or like if social media had come in when I was in college, different story altogether. But
True.
here I am a professional who's done you know years of work. Like by the time social media came in, I was already 12 years in my career, behind the camera, in front of the camera. So for me, and initially Instagram was a place, or even Twitter was quite a nice place to be
Yeah,
in,
yeah.
right? Like you would share certain thoughts
And used to
and
get
wisdoms.
information rather than
Correct.
rumors.
Yeah,
Then.
your Instagram was about sharing what
Yeah.
is cool and what is not.
Yeah.
But what it shaped into was something. It snowballed like so quick and fast.
True.
I personally cannot catch up to it because I'm not a content creator. I was, you know, I will still say I'm a storyteller. I love writing scripts. I love working for movies. I love working for OTT. I've worked, loved being an actor, you know. I love something that requires time and space to build something, you know. We can call it art of, you know, the art of life, like everything that involves that time, that foundation, that all of that. But having said that, like I applaud each and every content creator who puts themselves out there. Like unbelievable. Sometimes I am awestruck by the sheer amount of content that they put out. मैं एक रील बनाने में 1.5 दिन 2 दिन लगा देता हूँ एंड पीपल आर जस्ट rolling out content after content after content after content, and have done such phenomenal work. There are some people who are out there, like again a shout out to Khushal Pawar. He's an actor, and there was so much, like you know, the fact, I mean, all of us actors have struggled. There is a bit of struggle with him also.
Yeah.
You know, but the space that he's created for himself on social media, on Instagram, is fantastic. I absolutely applaud him for the work he's doing. Another two guys that I've given a shout out to them also. Their Instagram profile is called Choti Film. These two guys, and their tagline is also like on the, you know, their bio page says rejected by directors, actors rejected by directors, or something like that.
Oh, they have this whole page?
Yeah, they have a page where these two guys, they do these little skits. And I really find their skits funny. I really look at them, and they have grown ever since. I love looking at their work. You know, I love looking at the fact that they've taken something which is not working for them and used it. And I am inspired by them because I can't do it for content creation. Like I am still old school that you need a whole setup. You need to create, you know, filmmaking, and I still want to make films. I still want to be a part of films and OTT. So yeah.
But do you think that actors also need to do this content creation
अब
things?
करना पड़ता है, मतलब for sure. Like I didn't do it, and look where my Instagram profile is, right? Like not that I have a very huge following, but if I say just talk numbers, from the point of I wasn't active for a year and a half, and I lost about 10,000 followers. And because my limited number of followers that I have, that drop of 10,000 followers is very visible, right? If you have millions of followers, 10,000 followers, give or take, will not make a difference. But if you have a small pond, you take out some from it, and then you suddenly
Then
see
you
that,
realize,
okay, this guy is not. And plus, not being active and not being able to, and I don't know what my language is, right? I honestly am still trying to learn, and I'm still trying to understand. Like For me, I've tried doing those real things and doing fun things and doing viral things, and they don't work for me. Um, I stayed true to what I like. Like, I love poetry, and I like to, like, even if I want to put out pictures of me slightly when I'm looking a certain way or whatever, I want to share something that I enjoy, right? I like poetry, but I'm not forcing it down people's throat. I'm saying, okay, poem. So here's a poem about never giving up. Please read it
Yeah.
as a caption. Read it as a caption. Look at my picture, like it, whatever. Maybe that doesn't resonate with the people who want to do, they want something more.
No.
Is what I'll say. But I'm trying. I'm also trying. I would like, but at the end of the day, it's another harsh reality that when you have more followers,
Yeah.
even if you're a credible actor, some people may give you work because you just have more followers.
So true. But you're watching your sister's game with these
I'm
games?
not able to. I just saw first couple of episodes and then just bits and pieces here and there on her social media. I've not been able to watch it because of the film releasing and the whole
Yeah.
activity and trying to convince people to go to cinema halls. But
Yeah, we saw your video with Diljit. जाकर देखो फिल्म
देख लो यार, देख लो.
मैं ही दे
मतलब,
दूंगा पैसे,
हाँ, मैं दे दूंगा पैसे. Please जाके देख लो. It's not about money. It's about watching a good film.
Good film, yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah, I mean, she's doing all right. I mean, whatever. It's like a fish out of water kind of a scenario. She was very nervous about going in there. She wasn't, sure whether she fits in, with whatever her line of work has been in the recent past. This was something that was more of an experiment than anything else. And we just talked about the fact that, hey, go in, remember your values. You will fall sometimes, but just get up, remember those values and stand by them, and that's about it. बाकी जो हो रहा है होने दो.
True, because I even before going I had a word with her. I remember she was quite nervous, but she was like, "जो होगा देख के आएंगे."
Correct, yeah. I mean,
And
that's
she's
the
doing
only way.
best. Yeah. But before going, please talk to me about where we can see you more, and you're gonna be active on social media.
I'll try to be. I'm trying to be active on social media, but I don't know how to. In fact, I mean, if people who are watching this interview, my DMs are open for you. Suggest what would you like, because I have no idea. I mean, what do I have to offer to people on social media apart from, like, I mean, I get tired of clicking my own pictures and putting it out there. Like, what is it that people would like? Please don't say Barun or Sanaya, is pyar ko kya naam do related
The
stuff.
that is emotion,
Yeah, but for me,
It's
okay,
done.
what about my emotion, right? Like,
Yeah,
I mean,
true.
if you're coming to me on my page
Yeah.
for somebody else,
Yeah.
then, I mean, go to their page. They're my friends, but I'm not not their spokesperson, not their PR person that
True.
I am going to, initially, because we were friends, let's talk about Twitter, right? This is an experience that I had initially, which put me off social media. Initially, I'd put up a picture with me and Barun because we are friends, because that's my life. Like, on a daily basis, I hang out with, like, if you and I hang out together and I put up a picture of me, nobody's going to bat an eyelid.
Yeah.
But the moment I put up a picture of him and me, there are people out there saying, oh, he's trying to ride on his success. I mean, that makes no sense to me, but that puts me off. And that talks about the kind of followers there are that I have. Then I lose respect for the medium, and I lose respect for the kind of people I'm reaching out to.
True.
So for me, that was for the longest period of time that completely took me off Instagram. I think I was doing a good job before that, before all of that, crazy thing happened. And you couldn't avoid it at that point of time because it was so fresh. Everybody was like, आओ बहन ट्रोल करे वाला सीन था.
Now people is taking it very light because to be honest, हर दूसरा इंसान ट्रोल करने के लिए बैठा हुआ है. है ना? We have seen recently the things happened with many actors there. Arjun Kapoor, and acting भी नहीं है कुछ भी. Every other post was something.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked.
Exactly.
It's unbelievable. Yes, we all of us have become critics and reviewers.
So
okay,
true, true.
we do go and talk about. हम लोग पिक्चर देखते हैं या हम किसी का काम देखते हैं, हम जरूर कहते हैं हाँ ये अच्छा था, नहीं था, मुझे इसका इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा. क्या हम वहीं ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते? क्या हमको पर्सनल होना ज़रूरी है कि भाई तुम्हें तो पैदा ही नहीं होना चाहिए था या तुम्हें तो ये नहीं होना चाहिए था? लाइक आई kudos to Arjun Kapoor for just taking it, man. I mean, I know that it hurts. It hurts, and I know for a fact that nobody is above that. No matter who you are not above a comment which is negative towards you, right? It will bother you, but kudos to him that no matter what is happening inside, that he's standing tall, you know. And to everyone who gets negative reviews, um, I also like when if I would get like a slightly off review or something about me, it would or being ignored also,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Like it does bother, and it takes a huge amount of strength for you to keep standing. So kudos to everyone who is standing tall
Coming up with
despite
such a
everything.
grace. So
Yeah.
true, so true.